Best Sport Motorcycle for Beginners Kawasaki Ninja 400R. The world of sport motorcycling beckons with promises of speed, agility, and the thrill of the open road. For beginners taking their first steps into this exhilarating realm, selecting the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R, celebrated for its accessible power, versatile performance, and beginner-friendly attributes, stands out as the ultimate sport motorcycle for those commencing their journey into this exciting world. With its balanced performance, sporty aesthetics, and rider-centric characteristics, the Ninja 400R provides the perfect platform for beginners to embark on their journey of skill development, excitement, and sport riding without feeling overwhelmed. Balanced performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Kawasaki Ninja 400R lies a robust 399cc parallel twin engine that strikes the perfect balance between power and approachability. This engine provides ample performance to savor the thrill of sport riding while ensuring a smooth learning curve for beginners. Sporty design and aesthetic appeal. The Ninja 400R boasts a sporty design that mirrors its larger sport bike counterparts. Its sleek lines, sharp fairings, and distinctive styling elements embody the essence of sport bike excellence, appealing to riders seeking a dynamic and visually striking motorcycle. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also appreciate the Ninja 400R's sporty persona. Ergonomic comfort and rider-focused layout. Despite its sporty appearance, the Ninja 400R is designed with rider comfort in mind. It offers a comfortable and upright riding position that ensures comfort during both spirited rides and long journeys. The well-padded seat, mid-set handlebars, and accommodating footpeg position contribute to a rider-focused setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and nimble agility. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R is celebrated for its responsive handling and nimble maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and agile characteristics empower riders to confidently tackle twisty roads, city streets, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is a top priority for beginner riders, and the Ninja 400R often comes equipped with features like a standard ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novice riders as they learn to harness the motorcycle's performance. Urban commutes and spirited rides. The Ninja 400R's versatility extends beyond spirited rides. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between daily urban commutes and spirited escapes, all while enjoying the motorcycle's sporty and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Kawasaki brand and the Ninja series create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for sport riding and the Ninja 400R sport bike attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of sport riding. Budget-friendly sport riding. The Ninja 400R offers an affordable entry point into the world of sport motorcycles. Its reasonable price, manageable maintenance costs, and brand reputation ensure that riders can enjoy sport riding without breaking the bank. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja 400R exemplifies Kawasaki's commitment to providing the perfect sport motorcycle for beginners. With its accessible performance, sporty design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Ninja 400R offers an immersive gateway to the thrill of sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Kawasaki Ninja 400R as their first sport motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for sportiness, exhilaration, and the excitement of conquering the open road on two wheels.